First, clean the bottles and remove their labels. Next, draw on the outline of what you want your bottle to look like. I created a frog, cat, panda, and bunny. And since I was creating so many, I even created myself a pattern. The next step is to cut about an inch away from your outline. Spray paint your bottle with your desired color. Cut off the excess and erase the dry erase marker. Next, draw the design you want on your planter. This is the bunny design. This is the panda design. This is the frog design. And this is the cat design, one of my personal favorites. Next, add soil to your planter. Lastly, add flowers, finishing up your cute upcycled planter. Make sure to subscribe and get crafting.